Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients. 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 tsp vanilla extract. Measure cocoa and sugar into a small bowl and stir to combine. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons warm milk to make a smooth slurry so no lumps form when reheating. Choosing whole milk yields a richer cup. Use 2% or plant milk and adjust sugar by taste. Keep all measurements nearby for an efficient process. Pour the remaining milk into a small saucepan and set over medium-low heat. Add the cocoa sugar slurry and whisk constantly, bringing the mixture to about 160 degrees F, just below a simmer. Do not boil. Whisk vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes until cocoa fully dissolves and a light froth forms. If you prefer a quicker method, microwave in 30-second bursts, whisking between bursts to prevent hot spots and scalding. Finish by removing from heat and stirring in 1/4 tsp vanilla for aroma and balance. Customize your cup. For vegan hot chocolate, combine 1 cup almond milk and 1 cup oat milk with the same cocoa ratio and sweetener. For richer flavor, add 2 tablespoon heavy cream or 2 tablespoon chocolate chips melted into the hot mix. Try 1/8 tsp peppermint extract, 2 tablespoon caramel sauce, or a pinch of cinnamon. Top with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa. Reduce sugar by 25% if desired. Store leftovers in the fridge up to 48.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.